Wait, where's my computer? Hey, I got it. Welcome to Brightstar channel. I'm Hatsuni Miku. Magic bring me an Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. If you want to learn this magic, just go below link to buy it. This ROG Zephyrus G14, the most attractive is this, the NVMe Matrix LED, the world first NVMe Matrix LED on the laptop. This LED can let you show off whatever picture or word you like to show. Show your style, just like me, Hatsuni Miku. This laptop not only LED so geng, and it is using world first 7nm mobile processor, which is Ryzen R5-4600HS, and it is come with 8GB DDR4 and NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphic card. Screen is using 120Hz with Pro Art True technology. Sound system is using Dolby Atmos, just like bring cinema back home. Not only that, it comes with 76-watt battery, can continuous use up to 10 hours. And also with two charging types. First type is 180 watt, second type is using Type C 65 watt. For traveling around, it's very suitable. Most king one thing is using Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 speed maximum up to 2400 Mbps.
You sell so many, but where to buy all?
Hello, right here. Just go below link to buy. Nah, this is the voucher code. Just use the voucher code to get discount. Zephyrus G14 also got fingerprint unlock leh. With Harmony Crack software, you can check your computer status. Let's check out the outlook of this laptop. Right side, it have two USB 3.0 and one Type C 3.0. Okay. Left side, it have 180 watt charger port, HDMI port, USB 3.0 with Type C. This is chargeable and audio jack. Let's see how heavy for this laptop. Walao! Only 1.71 kg for a gaming laptop. Conclusion don't think liao, just buy. If you have 5K budget, just buy only. No buy later you will regret. Remember, help me like this video and subscribe my channel and share to your friend. Tell them don't miss out this offer. Okay? Love you.